Motungata ma urigiti thibitari-ini cia muingi kaunti-ini ya Nairobi ni matanyitwo kugacirithio makiria kurumirira kugurwo kwa macini cia gutangikira motungata ngurani. Kuringana na gavana wa kaunti ino Johnson Sakaja, hindi ya kuruguria macini ya kuheana motungata ma CT scan thibitari-ini wa Mbagathi, thirikari yake iri mubango-ini wa gwaka wadi njeru ya ICU thibitari-ini uyu.
We have been able to install a CT scan, which is a 64 size machine, upgrading of our laboratory, and we are now completing the construction of critical care unit and a dental unit.
Gavana ataririe matanya ma thirikari ya kaunti ni gutigirira muingi ni wamukira motungata ma ugima wa mwiri na njira ya raithi, akiranira ica ikuhi namba ya aruti a wira ni gukorwo ikiongererwo thibitari-ini ciothe cia muingi kaunti-ini ino.
Nairobi had no ICU at all. There was no public ICU. The only ICU was Kenyatta Hospital, the only public ICU. Today we can boast of an ICU at Mama Lucy Hospital. We have an ICU at Mama Margaret Hospital, 10 bed. We are building our ICU here, which you have seen.
Hamwe noguo gavana nieranire kuhuthira njira ciothe hari gukinyiria muingi motungata na njira iria yagiriire, akiranira kuri na mubango wa guthondeka session iria ihuthikaga kuiga thakame.
There was no oxygen piped to the wards and to the different parts of the hospital. The piping for the oxygen has been done, and what is remaining now is the points through which the oxygen comes out. So you don't have to keep moving mitungi across the hospital. It has been costing us 20 million shillings annually on oxygen, and I'm sure what we have behind here will help us make savings, and the savings can go to infrastructure.
Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, ritwa riakwa ni Wambui wa Njuguna.